I got a quick one for you. This is funny. When I was at NAB, I happened to lose one of my DJI transmitters. Have no idea what happens, but you know what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. So does my transmitter. So I got a replacement, and I just want to show you real quick how to link up a brand new replacement transmitter to your DJI. So we're going to pop this guy open, and there's a couple of things that you need to do. First, open the box. That would be a good place to start. All right, let me get that open real quick. Pull that guy out of there. It comes, hey, at least it comes with a nice little case. I guess the first ones don't come with a case because, well, it comes in the box with the little black case that it comes with. That makes about as much sense as I have no idea what, but let's keep going. Let's pretend that didn't happen. This is the case I was talking about. So we're going to get this guy open and pull this out. Brand new. At least I have a new stash bag that I can put in. Anyway, let's pop this guy open. We give it an unzip. And inside here, you'll see there is a pack of do not eats. We don't need that. We'll put that over here. In here, we have a nice little transmitter sleeve, which is cool. And then what else is in here? There's something else in here. Hold on. Probably the wind screen. Yes, that's exactly what that is. It's an additional wind screen. That's cool. We'll keep that. Now, that makes this side empty. Over here, of course, is a transmitter charging cable. But what's nice is when I travel, this is much easier to travel with extra transmitters than the other. And I do have one that goes to the Osmo Pocket 3, which I've taken a Sharpie to blacken out the DJI. It kind of needs a redo. Okay, cool. So we got this extra case, which is nice. But what we want to do is power this baby on. And then when it's blue, if I hold it and start blinking, it's ready to start looking for that Bluetooth mode. We don't really want to do that. So one of the things that you can do is hold down the record button for a couple of seconds, and then it'll go into the green mode, and now it's ready to link the other way. But the best part about these guys right here, I mean, the absolute best part about these DJI mics is all I really need to do to link this to this one is pop it in the case. Now, it might require me to turn all of these guys on in the case, or actually, let me just check. Let me move the magnet. You always got to move the magnet to the top. Let's get it up there. All right, it's the same magnet. All right, let's throw it in there. Let's close the case. And then when we reopen it, it should automatically link. If it doesn't, I will turn this guy on because I did have it connected to my computer for a minute. So it might not have automatically been ready to go. Wake up, Maggie. I think I got something to say to you. All right, there it is. Let that power up for a second. So you see that this one is connected when I talk. Then to connect the second one, all I really need to do is have it powered up and pop it in here and in here. It should connect automatically, just like that. You drop it in. You can see it's a little bit low in power because I just plugged it in, taking it out of the box, but it will charge inside here. It's now all connected. So if I were to pull this guy out and pull this guy out, now the new microphone, you'll see that the brand new microphone's already connected. So one of the things, again, really cool about this set is just by placing it in the box, it will automatically connect. But if you have trouble, remember, all you need to do is power it on. And then once you get the blue blinking light, press and hold record for 2 to 3 seconds. And then you get the green blinking light. And then it will automatically link up that way. Good to go. I love these guys. These are great. And I'm happy that I got a brand new pouch where I would guarantee stuff with something other than what it was meant for. But hey, I kind of like it. And make that easy. I just wanted to show you real quick in case you ever need to replace. I hope you never do. I was this close to buying a white one so I could have 1-in-1, but I realized that might look really dumb for production. So right now, YouTube's going to show you another video they think you should watch, and I kind of agree with them.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets City. You're mine.